Seedream 4.5 is here. Seedream 4.5 is now optimized to deliver consistent results across multiple images, hyperrealism and precision. Literally one prompt gives you almost perfect results to save your time and credits. I have tested it inside Dreamina and the results were so amazing. Dreamina now has image 4.5 model and I'm gonna show you some use cases like you can create full infographics by just using a single image, create consistent character in 4K outputs to explore different angles, shot types, wide angles and close-up portrait, design style standardized, transform ideas into 3D render outputs, subject consistency to blend multiple reference images to build a complex composition. Now let's dive in and take a closer look. Just log into Dreamina's website. Once you're in, let's add our image prompt and let's generate our AI image. First, I'm uploading a few reference images. We've got sketches, products, textures. I want to see how well it handles a complex multi-concept prompt. Once the images are uploaded, you can see the preview here as well. Let's proceed to write the prompt. I'm pasting a heavy prompt here, an astronaut, a robotic horse, UFOs, all in a cinematic 16:9 shot. We are pushing the model to blend totally different elements together. Make sure you select image 4.5 from the drop-down. I'm cranking the aspect ratio to 16:9 and setting the resolution to Ultra 4K. Go big or go home. Hit that arrow and let it cook. Now usually this is where other models break apart, but look at this. Boom. The blending is absolutely seamless. The reflection on the astronaut, the mechanical details on the horse, it didn't just paste them together. It actually understood the lighting and perspective. And look at this. Dreamina handles image integration without losing any originality. Next up, I'm uploading a portrait reference of a girl in a blue sweater. I'm typing in a prompt for an ultra-realistic close-up, asking for soft cinematic lighting and a shallow depth of field. I want this to look like a high-end photography studio shot, not a digital painting. Let's see what we get. Okay, check these results. Look at the knit texture on the sweater and look at the skin pores. It's not smooth or plastic looking. I'm going to use the in-paint feature. I'm taking that same generated character and I'm asking Dreamina to put her in a forest sitting on a wooden chair. This is usually impossible for AI to do without changing the face. It kept her face 100% identical. The lighting changed to a golden hour sunset vibe, but the character identity remained locked. That is massive for storytellers who need recurring characters. Now, for something completely different. Let's test the text and layout capabilities. I'm uploading an image of a red velvet cake. I'm asking it to generate a full instructional infographic on how to make this cake. This requires the AI to understand text, sequence, and layout logic. Most AI models scramble text completely, so this is a huge ask. Step 1. Step 2, Step 3, it actually laid out the ingredients, bowls, and the process correctly in a step-by-step grid. This is insane. Look at the text, it is perfectly legible. It's not just random shapes, it's actual, clear typography. It actually laid out the ingredients and the process correctly. With proper spacing, you could literally print this out and use it in a recipe book. Architects and designers, pay attention to this one. I'm dropping in a flat 2D black and white floor plan. Looking at this, it's just lines and empty space. The prompt is simple. I want to render this in an isometric 3D view with all the furniture included, but without adding a roof. We are asking the AI to understand 3D space from a 2D drawing and strictly adhere to the structural constraints. Most AIs would just color it in like a coloring book. Look at the walls. It didn't just guess. It took those flat 2D lines and extruded them perfectly into 3D space. Then notice the interior. It populated the space with modern furniture that actually fits the scale of the rooms, no tiny chairs or giant tables. It even calculated how the light would spill in through the windows, creating realistic shadows on the floor. It understood the complex spatial relationships from a simple flat drawing perfectly. For an architect, this isn't just a cool trick, it is a massive time saver for client visualization. Image 4.5 isn't just making pretty pictures for social media, it's a reliable professional tool. It uses significantly fewer credits than high-end competitors like Nano Banana Pro, all while understanding complex structures and prompt details much more accurately. Now let's shift gears and try a quick edit. We want to see something practical that you might use every day. I'm taking this selfie and I'm simply asking to add a realistic medium beard. The real challenge here is the jawline. We want to see if it tracks the bone structure correctly and integrates with the skin. Flawless. Look closer at the details. It respects the original warm lighting of the room, catching the individual new hairs. It matches the angle and even the subtle grain of the photo perfectly. Let's do some product placement. I want to integrate this isolated floating laptop onto this sunlit desk environment naturally. The prompt is, blend and integrate the laptop onto the desk with the correct perspective and lighting. Just wait for a second while the AI is cooking. Look at the result. Specifically, look at the contact shadows right under the laptop chassis. It grounded the object perfectly onto the wooden surface. The perspective lines of the device align flawlessly with the desk it's sitting on. Now let me show you real text recognition. So I uploaded my own image here for a portfolio and prompted a minimal editorial AI poster, CV style layout, tiny text, tight spacing and detailed structure. As you can see, all 4 outputs is so good, but the 4th one I like the most. Look closely at the tiny text below. It's perfectly clean, sharp and fully readable, no morphing, no distortion, even at a very small size. That's how you can create real usable designs. I've already shown you some use cases and you can experiment further. You will receive daily credits upon signing up on Dreamina. The link is waiting for you right there in the description.